Don't get too close, I might bite. Might swing too.
What's up, Dunder?
What's good?
What's up, Kate?
Cracking. What's cracking? You look good?
You look good. No, for real. It's good day. Good morning. Top of the morning, guys. Top of the morning, guys. Right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning, guys. We're starting this new trail in California. This is our second hike. I'm so excited for this hike. The weather is beautiful. Right now it's like 60 degrees right now. So it's amazing, guys. I got my electrolyte. Ooh, I'm out of breath. It's kind of hard getting up here, as you guys can see, like it's a little steep, but it's so beautiful out here, guys. The Hollywood sign is literally on top of the mountain. I can see with my eyes. So I'm gonna take you guys through this trail with me. Again, tapping into nature, tapping into nature's beauty. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the clips, and make sure you guys subscribe. I just want to encourage you guys to step out into nature today. You know, talk to some people. This trail is pretty busy. Which the trail's only like 30 minutes, not like a crazy trail. Get your body in motion today. Cause why not, you know? I think life is too beautiful to be inside. Too beautiful. Imagine living on these mountains. Like, look at this house right here. Like, just imagine waking up every morning to beauty. Like, that is, I think to me, that's literally success. Just waking up and there's nature surrounded. I think that's success right there. Social media, it tries to make you, I feel like social media overall, it only defines success as like having a nice car, biggest house, lots of money. And yeah, I think like in this world, yeah, you need money. But I don't think that's the true meaning of success, definition. I think, in my opinion, my definition of success would be my family, myself, being self-sufficient. And yeah, like the cars are nice, the houses are nice. But like being free to explore the unknown and not clocking in to a 9 to 5. That's really success to me, being your own boss. This is nice, wow. So the first hike that we went on was about like 30 minutes. But then we was like, you know what, guys, we gotta do more than that, you feel me? Bro, I feel so good. I feel refreshed. I feel amazing, guys. So right now we're going to the Hollywood sign, which is about like 9 more minutes. Let's go. We'll talk about you too. What kind of dog is that? Oh, it's so cute, Chihuahua. So cool. It's a goat. That is so cool. He's a Chihuahua. Pause the energy, guys. I want to vibrate some pause energy too, guys. Go together? Yeah. Together forever.
I like that.
You want to do Instagram or camera?
Camera, my bad. Please no Instagram. Just trying to get more friends, you know?
Portrait or regular?
Oh, I would be. Yo, did you catch that?
No, I'm just taking a shot. Oh, wait, let's get the city behind the scenes.
Yeah, we got the city on our back.
For real.
You feel like rain in the morning.
Insurance ain't updated, bro. You can't be falling.
It's too much sometimes. Mix the emotions. Mix it up, girl.
Yeah. Be your own people.
Alright guys, I just got back home from brunch. It's been a few hours since the hike, probably like 4 hours. But I'm just wearing this tan shirt and just jeans. And yeah, this is the I'm gonna wear today. It's the Good Girl. Guys, this scent smells really good. I highly recommend it if you guys never tried it. I think they have a it smells, I don't know, it smells so good. It smells so good. It's like an everyday like scent, you know. This is cute. I also brought this to my body, like Bath and Body Works. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Adios.
Like it every boundary.